Here is a Kohler smart toilet, and just installed. Used to have like a bidet seat. It was kind of messy, but we had this installed. When you come at it, rises up, heated seat. The remote has front, back, air dryer, heat. You can lift the seat. Has a flusher. It does automatically flush, but you can also make it flush. There's some stuff you can do on the back that more controls. But we've had it about a month. I love it. It will just close when you walk away. It'll self-flush. Forget